Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install CodeBlocks IDE. So let us start. First of all, open your browser and write down here google.com and write down here CodeBlocks download. Here you can see the link codeblocks.org. Open it. Now this will show you here different downloads. Here download the binary release, download the source code, or retrieve source code from SVN. So you have to click here, download the binary release, and now here you will see here different set of files: CodeBlocks setup.exe, Noman, and this MinGW is where compiler you can compile C or C++ programs. You don't have to install separately MinGW, it's included in it. But if you install this one, then you have to install MinGW separately, which may create the problem. So let us download this one. Here you can see it will download CodeBlocks. Here you can see it's downloading. Now you can see here CodeBlocks has been downloaded. Double click on it. Now you can see installation window has been launched. Click here next and say license agreement. Click I agree. Click next, and this is a destination folder where it will be installed. Click install. Now here it asks for, do you want to run CodeBlocks now? Click here yes. Here you can see the desktop shortcut. Now click here next and finish. Now the CodeBlocks 20.03 version has been launched. We can click here file, new, and then project. Here we have different options. We can use any one. Here we can use console application and click go. Click next. Here you can see C++, choose C++, and next you can provide here the project title, first project, and you have to put the folder here to create where you want to save the file, where you want to save the project. Let us keep it my document. Select folder, click next. Here you can see the GNU GCC compiler. Click finish, and this is the project files. Click here sources, and now click main.cpp. Here you can see the sample program. We can increase or decrease the font using control and mouse. See, and we can debug the program either from this here, or you can go to there and build. Now the program has been built. You can see here 0 errors with 0 warning, and you can click here run. Now you can see here the result of the program, hello world. Now this was all about how to download and install CodeBlocks IDE, and I hope you find this video informative. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.